So hello, and this is going to be my very first unboxing. Now it's so big, I'll just pick it up, that I can't do it all on camera, so I'm going to do a little bit at a time. Now I actually know what it is, and I've been waiting because I live on a Caribbean island. I live on the island of MAARTEN, and anything we want to order takes time. I look like I've got a fan coming out my head, don't I? Anyway, so it was ordered from Amazon. It took me 3 weeks and I am ready. I am so excited. So I'll take some video and show you what I've got. So I've bought the Ninja CREAMi, and it comes, the one I bought comes with 3 pots and the machine. So you have to I've been watching so many YouTubes on, and I've got all ingredients, but you have to pre-freeze before we can make the ice cream for 24 hours. So I just wanted you to see kind of what I've bought and what I'm going to make. So I am virtually dairy free, and I don't eat oat milk or any of the milks. I don't have any milk in my diet. I have something called Crohn's, and it just doesn't suit me. So I'm going to be coming up with ice creams that suit me. So we've already got a lot of banana frozen, strawberries frozen, and I've got loads of things to have a go at. And I'm going to try, let me see if I can just show you. I'm going to try making ice cream from a Frappuccino, which actually I know has cream in it. But I'm going to try it, see what happens. But I've got loads of ideas. So I'll come back to you and we'll see what happens. So these are the 3 things I'm going to try. I'm going to try the Frappuccino with marshmallow cream. That's frozen strawberries and bananas with a fruit compote. And lemonade with lemon pudding. So we'll see what happens. Hello, we're back again. So my 3 ice creams from my new Ninja CREAMi have been frozen for 24 hours. I've taken them out because I've watched lots of YouTube videos, and they all say take it out 10 minutes before. So I've taken it out 10 minutes before. The first one I've put in was the Frappuccino with the marshmallow cream. If you go to my previous video, you'll see the 3 recipes I've chosen for my very first 3 ice creams. I've heard it's very noisy. I haven't heard it yet. It's all there ready. So I'm going to mix it and then come back. So it's done. I actually didn't find it that noisy. Everything else, I've got every gadget going. So let's see what happens. So, okay, how do we do this? I couldn't get it out, but that was easy. There's a button, but I didn't see the button. So here we are, and there's another button for the lid to come off. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. So can you see my first ice cream? Oh my god, it's creamy as well. I can't wait. I've seen so many people, and I've waited 3 weeks. I can't tell you how excited I am to try it. Oh my god. I have to tell you why I bought it. I don't really eat ice cream, which is a bit strange to buy an ice cream maker, but the one thing I love is coffee ice cream. I don't drink coffee or tea, but I love coffee ice cream. And here on the island, a pint of Häagen-Dazs is nearly $8. And so it's so expensive, I thought I'd have a go. Oh my god. And that, look, that is literally a bottle of like iced coffee and a big blob of marshmallow cream. So what I've done, I bought a load of these and some stickers, so I can take it out of the pot, put it on here with a sticker and put it in the freezer. And then it means I've got the pot again. I'll get the next one ready. We'll try the next one. Okay, I'm getting a bit excited. I've cleaned everything out, the lid, the pot. I've put the coffee ice cream in one of these with a label. That's in the freezer now. And the next one we've got is banana, strawberry and fruit compote. It's like baby food I put in there, because from what I've been watching, you've got to fill it out. So I'll be back. Okay, here's the strawberry banana and fruit compote. Taking it off, we'll get the lid. Look at this. Oh, I can smell this one. Oh, and it is creamy. It is creamy, and that is just the bananas, strawberry and compote. Let me try. Oh, this is going to be such a good toy. It's lovely. Really creamy. And there's no cream in it, because as I explained before, I don't have any dairy, but it tastes just like ice cream. Well, obviously it is ice cream, but with no dairy. Good one. Let's try the next one. Okay, last of the three. So this one is fresh lemonade, lemon pudding, and a squeeze of agave, the sugar sweetener. Sorry, that's my cat, wants to join in. We're going to whiz it and then try it. So I just realised it's agave. That's the sweetener I used. Now, anything lemon I love, and this looks amazing. I did it on the ice cream, although really it's probably a sorbet, but I thought it would whip it up. And the only thing I'm finding is I don't think I needed to leave it out for 10 minutes, because I've had to put each one quickly back in the freezer. So let me try. Tastes lovely. It's not creamy enough. So I did pudding, which I've never heard of before. It's American. We don't have it in the UK, but I tried it. It works. It's sweet. It's lovely. It needs to go back in the freezer. And I think I might try some of that marshmallow fluff cream in it next time. But 3 pots. Every single one successful. I've got my little labels and my little pots. And we'll try some more. So I'll come back again with some more, because I really enjoy it, and I'm going to really enjoy eating it, and it's all fresh. Fabulous. Love it. I needed to come back and say something. I'll never buy ice cream again. I know that everything I'm putting in it, and that's incredible, and I certainly wouldn't go out and buy ice lollies, ice cream when we've got the Ninja CREAMi. Absolutely no need. So I just thought I needed to add that and tell you.